guys, I'm back, and so this is the second episode in my series of PHP tutorials. This time, as I said, I'll be going on to the variables, but I've decided to do a bit more, and I'll be going and doing the functions that come, some of the function variables that come in PHP, and like I'll do if statements and else statements, and I'll save loops for another video, but yeah. So basically, I'll be teaching you about server. Now basically, this is a function or variable that comes built in with PHP, along with the get and post. Those two are used in forms. I'll do it when I'm going over forms another time. Now, let's say you want to tell the user what browser they're using. You go HTTP user and agent. Now, basically, I need to echo that. No quotation marks there because it's not HTML. It's not going to be outputted as like text. You don't want it to say server. So how do I put that? It's basically saying Chrome is using Mozilla 5.0, Apple WebKit, and Chrome and Safari. While if you go onto Internet Explorer, it's just using Mozilla 5.0, compatible with Microsoft Internet Explorer 9.1 and Trident 5.0, WoW 64, Windows NT 6.1. Now, let's say you wanted to see if the user wanted to include wanted to know if they were using Internet Explorer or if they weren't. You go if str pause, just set that up there. Now, the variable that the string you want to check basically is server. Because what the strpos does is basically searches a variable and returns either true or false if the string includes it. So now let's say I want to check, since Internet Explorer is using MSIE and it's only using MSIE, it's the only thing that uses it, then you want to go so that there's that it's not equal to false. As we're saying, exclamation mark is not and equal is obvious. If I was to put it's equal, that's if it's equal to false. Well, we want to know if it's not. Now you want to echo you are not using, or you are using Internet Explorer. Now, that's basically going to say, that's basically going to do that. You're using Internet Explorer. But if I go to Chrome, what's my computer so slow at the moment? If I go enter, reload the page, it won't do anything. So we want to tell it to do it. If it's not, if else, if it is not equal to false, so if it's equal to true, else, why is my computer so slow at the moment? I have no clue. Now echo you are not using Internet Explorer. Now if I refresh that page there, we'll say you're not using Internet Explorer. Now if I reset this page, you're using Internet Explorer. Alright. I don't want add-ons. So yeah, especially the simple part, especially the basics of if statements and using variables. Yeah, I'll teach you this now. If you want to set a variable, you go a or So you go $, which is a variable, and you just go whatever you want to name it. So I'll go test is equal to, what do you want to name it? I'll set the variable to hello world, and I'll echo, I'll go die actually, because I don't want it to execute that down there. $test, variable test. Now, I don't need that anymore, so you can go bye bye. Now, that will basically just return that. Basically, now if I was to go test A, test 1 is equal to now basically say, that one will say test 1 will be that, so if I was to go dot variable test 1, it will do that. So yeah, variables can basically hold anything you want, as long as it's not too big enough, as long as it's not bigger than a 8 or 16 bit, 32 bit variable I believe it is. So it can't go more than, I think it's 200,000 possibly. Yeah, no, 200 million? 200 million I think, yeah. So it can't go over 200 million. Yeah, it can go a bit over, but so yeah, I just went on a bit there, but yeah guys, thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to videos. If you want me to go over anything, like if you want to request anything, just send me a PM or ask in the comments. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.